All right, guys, we're back once again here to count down the math. Start with Coach Ward here. Now we're on series one. Well, now we're on page 6. So let's find out what they got in store for us here. So number one, it says to find out how water usage for residential landscaping may be affected by different levels of seasonal dryness. A city water department recorded the monthly water usage of 3 customers over 4 months with different monthly rainfall amounts. The results are shown in the scatter plot below. Based on the information, which is the closest estimate for the number of gallons a household might use in a month with 6 inches of rain. Okay, so really, this problem doesn't have you necessarily calculating anything, but it's going to ask you to do 2 things. One, be able to read a graph. Number two, be able to interpret a graph for reasonableness. So I need to make a decision on where is this graph essentially going to end up with it being 6 inches of rain. So as I look at my graph here, and I'm going to go to my question that underlines 6 inches of rain, I notice that my x axis is the monthly inches of rain, and here's 6 right here. So what I'm trying to do is figure out where is this graph going to end up before it gets to this line right here. Okay, so what I want to take the opportunity to do here is, and you can do this a multitude of ways where you can enter in the L1 and L2 and get those points. The main thing that I would tell you is just put a line of best fit through there. So you're trying to get through the middle of the information as best that you possibly can, and you're going to make a straight line. So watch how I attempt this. I'm just going to kind of start here, and I'm just going to make my way down. All right. So that's about the trend of the graph. Now, here's what you want to understand. You want to make a reasonable conclusion based off of what the answer choices say. So at 6 inches of rainfall, it looks like I'm around 10, maybe between 8 and 10, somewhere along those lines. So if I'm looking at my answer choices here, well, I can eliminate 5,000 because that's much lower than 8,000. 5,000 is about right here. So that's not where we want to go here. All right. 6,000 is a little bit above that, and clearly they're not even in the same range. 14,000 is up here. So there's only one of these that's actually the possible choice. And again, I'm not saying that this is just super easy, but again, we've got to be able to read and interpret a graph, and we've got to be able to also draw a reasonable conclusion from this information. So hopefully this video was helpful. Again, if you need any follow